Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss the example for integration regarding the area and also the volume. Kindly refers to the question. We have the curve y is equals to 7 minus x squared. And then we have the xy which is equals to 6. So kindly rearrange the situation given where we have the situation x is equals to 6 over y, or we can say y is equal to 6 over x. So kindly substitute the situation y. So here we have 6 over x equals to 7 minus x squared. Cross multiply the situation, then we will have the situation 6 which is equals to 7x minus x squared. Rearrange the situation. So we have the x to the power of 3 and then minus the 7x plus the 6 equals to 0. Make use of the calculator, factorize the situation, and we will have x plus the 3, x minus the 2, x minus the 1 equals to 0. So here we have x which is equals to negative 3, x which is equals to 2, and x which is equals to 1. So continue with the question. They said the two curves intersect at the point A and B in the first quadrant. So based on the result given, x equals to negative 3 is not in the first quadrant. So here we will write not in the first quadrant. Next is to determine the y. When x is equals to 2, in here we will have the situation y which is equals to 3. When x is equals to 1, then we will have y which is equals to 6. So the coordinate will be 2 and 3 and then 1, 6. So first will be the A, 1, 6, followed by the B which is 2, 3. Next is to sketch the graph. So kindly refers to the xy axis. So first what we have to do is to sketch the y which is equals to 7 minus x squared. So here will be the graph. So here we will have 7, and then here we have y which is equals to 7 minus x squared. Next, what we have to do is to sketch the graph y which is equals to 6 over x. So here will be the situation given. So y which is equals to 6 over x only involve the first quadrant stated in the questions. So here would be 1, and then here we will have 2. Same goes to this part. We will have 3, and then here we will have 6. So kindly refers to B, the area of the region bounded by the two curves. So here would be the region. Next, we are going to find the area. So area, let's say we are going to find the area respect to x. So as we can see in here, we have the longest. This one will be the shortest. So area will be integrate for the longest. So the longest would be 7 minus x squared minus the shortest. So here we will have 6 over x respect to x. Interval, we have 1 until 2. That is for the respect to x. Next is to integrate the situation. So we have 7x minus x to the power of 3 over 3 minus 6 ln x with the limit 2 and 1. So if we substitute the 2, then we will have bracket 14 minus the 8 over 3 minus the 6 ln 2. Minus, if we substitute the 1, and we will have 7 minus 1 over 3, and then minus with the 0 because of ln 1. Next, by using the calculator, 14 minus the 8 over 3, and then minus the 7 plus with the 1 over 3, and we will have the area, which is 14 over 3 minus, we have 6 ln 2. Or, if it refers to the calculator, 0.5078 unit square. So previously, we are looking for the respect to x. Now we are respect to y. So if we respect to y, here we will have integrate, then here we will have dy. Kindly refers to the graph, we will have the longest one and also the shortest one. So the longest one respect to y. So refers to the situation, then here we will have x which is equals to 7 minus y, and then here we will have power 1 over 2. Another one, for this case, we will have x will be equals to 6 over y. Kindly substitute the situation. We have 7 minus y bracket power 1 over 2 minus the 6 over the y. Limit where we have 3 until 6. So next is to integrate the situation. 7 minus y bracket, we have 3 over the 2. And then here we have 2 over 3. Differentiate the 7 minus y and we will have the negative. Minus 6 ln, here we have the y. With the limit 6 and 3. Next is to substitute the 6. If we substitute the 6, so here we will have negative 2 over the 3. Minus 6 ln, we have the 6. Next is to substitute the 3. If we substitute the 3, negative 2 over the 3 bracket, 7 minus the 3 and we will have 4. And then we have 4 so we have 2. So here we will have 8 minus 6 ln 3. By refers to the calculator, negative 2 over 3 minus the 16 over 3. So we will have 14 over the 3. Minus, we have 6 ln. So here we have 6 minus become plus 6 ln 3. So simplify the situation. So 14 over 3 minus the 6. So bracket. So here we will have ln 6 and then minus the ln 3. So 14 over the 3 minus 6 ln bracket. We have 6 over the 3 where we have 2. So that will be the area 14 over 3 minus 6 ln 2 or 0.5078 unit square. So that will be the alternative solution for area, which is respect to y. Next, kindly refers to C. Volume of the solid generated when the bounded region is resolved 360 degree about the x-axis. So meaning that here we have integrate, here must be respect to x. And then since we have 360 degree, means that we have the pi. So bracket, previously we have 7 minus x square minus we have 6 over the x bracket. So limit we have 1 until the 2. That one is for area if without the pi. As for the volume, we have to add on the square for both function. So that will be the formula for the volume. Continue. Next, what we have to do is to integrate the situation. So before we integrate, kindly expand the situation. We have the volume, pi, integrate. We have 49 minus 14x squared plus with the x to the power 4 minus 36. We have x to the power negative 2. Next, integrate the situation. 49x minus 14x to the power 3 over the 3 plus x to the power 5 over the 5 and then plus we have 36 over the x. With the limit, we have 2 and 1. So if we substitute the situation, so here we have pi bracket. So if we substitute the 2 and we will have 98 minus. So we have 2 to the power 3, 8 multiplied with the 14. So we have 112 over the 3 and then plus we have 32 over the 5 and then plus we have the 18. Minus, if we substitute the 1 and we will have 49 minus 14 over the 3 plus with the 1 over 5 and then plus with the 36 bracket. So by referring to the calculator, then we will have 68 pi over the 15 unit cube. Or we can say 4.533 pi, or we can say 14.241 unit cube. That is the volume for this case. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you think the video is useful, kindly consider to like, comment, share and subscribe.